In front of me I have the first polva, the first support structure on the second level, which I see for this season. The team we have in front of us are the Verds Vilafranca. And they are in fact making a prestano. It might be that this is the first prestano in Catalonia this season. I'm not sure. It's very stable. The doses are up. The Ashekador is in place. And here we have the Anchaneta. This will be crowned. Very good. Verds Vilafranca. Very good. We had a discussion when we came here this morning if we will see any cafes of 9 levels today. And most of my friends said no, we are too early in the season. We don't start with this yet, but we are wrong. This team has a competitive, or we call it a fighting spirit, which is amazing. Amazing. And they are raising the bar. Well, not for small teams like ours, the Verds Vilafranca, but certainly for the other top teams here in Catalonia. What we see in front of us are the green ones, also the Verds Vilafranca. So just descarregat, assembled and disassembled at 3x9. During the Fiera da Maig, the May fair of Vilafranca, with the day of human towers together with Verds Vilafranca and Verds Vilafranca. We are in Vilafranca del Penedès in Catalonia 2010.